variable data variable in OOPS programming language and in functional programming language. So first of all, we will see in the object oriented programming language. So the class person is object is created, and with the help of constructor we are passing the variable first name and last name. So for to change these variables, first we have to make them private. So for that we have to put dot underscore before the variable name, first name and last name and initials. So first name dot char at 0 means it will start at 0, and last name char at 0. So initials provided by the user and first name and last name. And to access that variable through function, so we will access these variables by set first name is a function here and pass the new name. So we want to update the variable new name, first name basically. So we will create a variable name new name which is provided by the user, which will change the first name to updated one. To make the variable updated data, so we will get this dot first name from the person object and update it with the new name. So initials this dot first name dot char and this dot last name dot char will be printed. So but in the case of functional programming language, don't make any data private because it is already constant. So create person first name and last name, two variables which is constant, and we want to change the first name and last name. So const person1 equal to create person. So person1 variable, constant variable, will call the function create person. We are passing the values first name and last name, so it will change it accordingly. To change the data of the create person, so we want to create another variable called update person1, which is create person. We call the function and change the first name term from Rahul to Komal and pass the person1 dot last name, which is already the same as this one, Aroda. So by the help of separate variable storing the data, which can change the value of functional programming language. So here you can see that person1 constant variable store Rahul already, so it will not change it anytime in the future. If right now you can access the data from person1, it will give Rahul, and if you want to get the data from update person1, it will give you Komal. So it means the data is immutable in the functional programming language. In the object oriented programming language, data is mutable, means we have to make it immutable. First we have to make them private, then we have to make to update that data in the form of new variable.